just want to go over what we're doing today. So this class is not going to change very much just because y'all don't ask a whole lot of questions. But I just want to go over real quick because of the whole mass change. I will, and I haven't, again, this class isn't going to change too much because I haven't been going over there, but I'm going to stay away from y'all like as a group. So I will not be coming in between the desks and answering questions and stuff. Mostly I just do that in chemistry, but I just want to hammer home that I am here to help you with whatever questions you have. If you want to ask a question, I'll pull it up on the board. We'll do it on the whiteboard. If you don't want to ask questions in front of the whole class, you can send me an email or a screenshot of your problem, and I'll answer it through email. Or if you don't want to do the email thing, just bring your Chromebook up here and set it on the little desk right here, and I'll come help you out with your problem. Whatever way it is, I'm going to figure out how to get you the help that you need. If you need any help, y'all don't ask a lot of questions. We just kind of coast through this class. So the assignment today is the multiple choice assignment for what we talked about yesterday, which was causes of earthquakes. You did the constructive response assignment. So it's up. Somebody already has it done. Take your time through it. The reading is also assigned, so the reading's going to be here. And the answer might be on any one of these 4 pages, so you might have to explore a little bit through the reading. But the assignment's pretty straightforward. They ask a little bit about like reverse faults and normal faults, and let's just go through it and see if there's anything too bad that we need to look at. So this is about a reverse fault. You can look up reverse faults and find the description there. What is one type of strain that can be caused by compressional stress? There's a whole slide, or actually a whole page. I think the 4th page is all about the different stresses and strains. So you can find compressional stress here and find out what they're looking for there. Strike slip faults, they talk about with the types of faults, normal, reverse, strike slip fault. What type of stress results from a rock being stretched? That's going to be back on the stresses page. What's it not going over there? Come on. There we go. So the stresses page has your 3 different stresses, and one of them is going to be when you're pulling things apart or stretching them further out. Let's see. A fault consists of 2 fault blocks separated by a fracture called a fault plane. Oh, the name of the fault block above the fault plane. I believe they may not actually have that detailed. We went over that before in class. But I don't know if they have it here. Let's look and see. No, it'd be on page 2. So they talk about faults here. Normal faults. Yeah, so they kind of detail that in the first paragraph here. They talk about the hanging wall is the fault block that's above the fault plane, and the football is the fault block that's below the fault plane. So you should be able to find all these answers reading through. Suddenly released when the following image is an example of shear stress. Okay, yeah, you should be able to get that one. What is the name of pressure that builds up along a fault? The student states that a reverse fault is a type of thrust fault. Earthquakes, which is a type of stress. What is the name of fracture that separates 2 faults in a normal fault? State which term describes deformation caused by the forces of gravity on motion. Okay, so I think most of these are going to be definitions that you can find in the readings here. I will say number 9, when they talk about the fault moves suddenly and snaps back to its original shape, that snapping back is described on the 3rd page here. So that elastic rebound theory, that's what they're talking about with that snapping back. You bend something, once it snaps, it's going to go back to its original shape. And so go ahead and work through these. It's 15 questions. Make sure you submit it at the end. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. I'll help you find the answer. We can get you a complete assignment pretty quickly. And that's what we're doing today. Tomorrow, I haven't looked at the exploration yet. Tomorrow, we'll either do the exploration or start on a new section. So that's what we got going on. Any questions or anything? All right. If you have any questions for me, let me know. I'm here to help you out, as always. Usually, y'all do pretty good, independent students.